Today we're breaking down the real reasons people don't tell you about getting a Cocker Spaniel. If you're thinking of getting a Cocker Spaniel, please go ahead, no one can stop you. But be ready, because behind those big eyes and silky ears is a high-maintenance breed that can drain your wallet, your patience, and maybe even your sanity. Cockers are gorgeous because that silky coat is work. Expect daily brushing to prevent matting, plus pro grooming every 4 to 6 weeks. Skip it and you'll get painful mats, hot spots, and that doggy smell. Also, those lovely featherings act like Velcro. Twigs, burrs, and half the park will hitch a ride home. Miss a few days and mats form under the ears, in the armpits, and on those fancy featherings. Mats aren't just ugly. They can trap moisture, cause painful hot spots, and even infections. And the pro grooming bill? Every 4 to 6 weeks. Multiply that by 12 months and suddenly your cute dog has a subscription plan more expensive than Netflix, Spotify, and your gym combined. Those long, floppy ears? Adorable, yes, but functionally, they're a moisture trap. Cockers are notorious for ear infections. Yeast, bacteria, mites, you name it, their ears invite it. Expect weekly ear checks, cleaning, quick vet visits at the first head shake, and strict drying after baths or swimming. Untreated, infections can be chronic and expensive. And if your cocker loves water, double the risk. Cute when they splash in a lake, not cute when trapped moisture fuels yeast or bacteria and you're spending on antifungal ear drops. Pro tip, after every bath or swim, dry those ears like you're prepping them for an airport security check. Towel, cotton pad, patience. Sensitive skin allergies are common. Itching, hot spots, paw licking. Diet trials, medicated baths, and allergy meds may become a routine. Eyes? Cockers can be predisposed to cataracts and progressive retinal vision loss. Regular vet eye exams are strongly recommended. Plan for preventive care and possibly higher insurance or vet costs long-term. Cockers are people dogs, sweet, affectionate, always there. The flip side, separation anxiety if undertrained or left too long. They're also emotionally sensitive. Raise your voice too harshly, they will shut them down or create behavior issues. Cockers thrive on positive reinforcement, positive training, gradual alone time conditioning, mental enrichment every day. Sporting breed DNA, equal signs surprising stamina. Without daily physical plus mental workouts, you'll get boredom barking, digging, or redecorating with your shoes. High stamina, high brain power. Skip exercise and you'll come home to creative art projects on your couch cushions. Daily walks? Good. Daily training games? Better. Add fetch, scent work, or agility, or risk your dog inventing hobbies like non-stop barking. High stamina, high brain power. Skip exercise and you'll come home to creative art projects on your couch cushions. Speaking of barking, they're vocal, alert, and watchful. Great watchdog in the suburbs, less great if you live in a thin-walled apartment. Cockers often have a serious food drive. Overfeed and they'll gain fast, which worsens joint issues. Use their appetite for good. Training treats counted from daily calories, slow feeders, and portion control. Screen for hip dysplasia, patellar luxation, autoimmune disorders, and heart-eye issues. Responsible breeders health test parents. You may hear about cocker rage, a rare, poorly understood idiopathic aggression reported historically in some lines. Today, with ethical breeding and early behavior support, it's uncommon, but it underscores why temperament-tested lines and socialization matter. Grooming, frequent ear skincare, training classes, quality diet, and possible specialist vets. Cockers are 12 to 15-year commitments. Budget time, money, and daily engagement consistently. Don't get a Cocker Spaniel if you want a low-maintenance, low-interaction dog. Do get a Cocker if you want a loving, people-oriented companion. You enjoy training, you'll groom regularly, and you'll treat ear skincare as routine. They're tender, clever, and hilarious, with the right owner. Thinking Cocker Spaniel? Comment Team Cocker if you're in, or tell me your deal breaker. I'll pin a new owner checklist in the comments. Grooming schedule, ear care routine, training plan, and budget.